Ever assembled your dream national team in AFC 24, only to find it woefully short of its full 26-player glory? Don't worry, because today we're diving deep into fixing those frustrating, incomplete national team rosters to give you that authentic, full squad experience. First things first, we need to make sure our game data is up to date. From the main AFC 24 menu, navigate to the Customize section. Within Customize, select Profile. Now, this might sound a bit drastic, but we're going to specifically delete old roster files. Don't worry, we're not deleting the whole game. Look for the option to delete roster files. Be careful to only select the roster files and not your entire save data. Once those are cleared, we need to re-download the most recent squads. Head back to the Customize menu and this time, find the online options. From there, select Roster Share. In the Roster Share menu, you'll see an option to download latest. Select this to pull in the most current player data from EA. After the download is complete, it's time to check your national team squad screen. You should now see your national team populated with the full complement of 26 players, ready for action. This usually resolves the issue by ensuring your game is using the latest, correct squad information. Enjoy building and playing with your complete national squads for a truly immersive AFC 24 career mode or international tournament experience.